Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on your VIVO Y31 5G. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and remove screen protector or a case, and let me explain why. Basically, they can cause a lot of interference. Now, I do not have a case for this device, so this does not apply to me, but I do have a screen protector, and I feel like it's very important to choose the right one. So we got the phone right here. Now, if you got a case and you see those bezels, the black part between the screen and the side of the phone, this is basically a bezel. And once the case is covering them entirely and going off to the screen, now let me show you what happens. Basically, something's pressing on the screen and you won't be able to actually perform that well on the device. So as you guys can see, it might be a bit laggy, it might be unresponsive. So this is very important that you get a good case. Now the same thing can happen with the screen protector. So we got a screen protector. If it's not applied properly, the same things happen. Sometimes if your screen protector goes off to the sides of the phone, it can happen the same here, and it won't be touchable that well. Like, I mean, you still will be able to do something, but it's definitely not that great. So make sure that you get a good screen protector and a good case. After that, what you guys want to do is clean your screen with a microfiber cloth. So I got the microfiber cloth right here. Now let me quickly get the phone. And as you guys can see, it is a little dirty now. We can see it. But once we go over and clean it with a microfiber cloth, it should be good. So make sure that you do it gently. Make sure that you do not go over to the phone and that you do not destroy it. Now we can see that there's nothing, it's perfect. So we got our phone, it's very clean. And what are we gonna do after cleaning it? We're gonna force restart it. So we're gonna press the power button, the volume up button. And now what are we gonna do is we're gonna press and hold the power button and the volume down. Now ignore the screenshot and keep on holding it for at least 10 seconds. And here our screen should go black and we should see the logo popping up. So now we can let go after we see the logo, and now the phone is turning back on. Now after the forced restart, what are we gonna do is we're gonna go over and update our software to fix any issues. So if there's still some unresponsiveness, what are we gonna do is we're gonna go over to settings, and here in the settings we're gonna scroll down to update our software. So we're gonna go over here, go to system update almost at the bottom, and as you guys can see, we should see the results right at the bottom here. So I am on the latest version now, and if you guys are not, then I recommend you updating. It's very important to keep up with the latest version so you don't have any old glitches on your device. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, don't leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.